time you kick a ball, ride a bike, or even sit still, you're experiencing laws of motion. Laws of motion that was first introduced by Sir Isaac Newton on the 17th century, which describes why and how an object moves or stays at rest. Like this book. When I put this here, it shows the first law of motion, which suggests that an object at rest will remain at rest, not unless there is a net force that being applied. But when I move this book around, it shows that every object in motion will remain in motion.
The law of inertia, or Newton's first law of motion, states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, with the same speed and in the same direction, unless acted upon and by balance, external force, meaning objects naturally resist changes for the state of motion.
The law of acceleration is Newton's second law of motion. Starting an object acceleration is directly proportional to the net force applied and inversely proportional to its mass. For the law of acceleration, let's compare the bottles with this full of water and this is empty.
As you can see, the bottle with light mass moves faster compared to the bottle with heavy mass.
The law of action and reaction, or the Newton's third law of motion, states that for every action or force, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means forces always occurs in pairs.
The action here is the foot pushing down and back, while the reaction of it is the floor pushing up and forward. Another example is a bird, where the action is the bird pushing air downward with their wings, and the reaction lifts them forward.
Overall, these three laws of motion is just